6 a.m. Sunday morning. The sun hasn't risen yet. Had good sleep last night, but the waves sound were so strong. I'm only about 100 yards from the ocean, so didn't get to sleep until after plugging my ears with toilet tissue. Anyhow, we're gonna break camp, pack up, and head back to Malibu, 50 miles. You can hear the train come through. Let's see if they will blow their whistle. So I'm trying to. There it goes. Probably the surf liner. It's about 7:30. Broke camp, packed up, and now we're ready to go. Beautiful day. Carpinteria. Bye-bye. Southbound 101, passing through I think up there's Ritchie here. Beautiful morning with the sun peeking over the cloud range. We're passing by Rincon Parkway, where a lot of folks park their RVs, cars, and enjoy the beach right across from those rocks. Back in Ventura, just past Ventura, and now we're into Oxnard. Nice green carpet of grass. There's strawberry. Point Magoo, naval base. Look at those jets. Can use some of that afterburner to get me home right now. It's so hot today. Around 12 noon. The sun's just breaking down. September, Sunday, California, probably mid-90s. We ran out of water and stopped at the naval base there to rest. And there weren't any services around. Fortunately, there was a gentleman from Ohio who was just cruising around, and he offered us a whole bag of not only ice cold but iced. I mean, a couple of the bottles were just frozen solid, and we were very grateful for his assistance. Now we're carrying on onward to Leo Carrillo Beach. We're passing Point Magoo State Beach right now. Point Magoo State Park. And we're going to split that rock there. Southbound 101. This is still Point Magoo State Park. But up ahead you can see the sand dunes there on the upper left. Monday morning, last day of the trip. At 2 a.m. The sun, actually the rain came down, gave us a good soaking, but it cooled the weather down, so hopefully today will be a good ride. Packing up, breaking down camp, and we'll head out in a few. Alright, rolling out. It's 8:43 Monday, heading home, 50 miles. Looking for a good trip. Back to Malibu. Nice LA coastline. Nice marine layer. Good weather for riding. Passed by Randy's Donuts. We're back in LA.